If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements to run Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to avoid performance issues. Step 2. Update game and drivers. Make sure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Additionally, update your graphics card drivers to the latest version available from the manufacturer's website to improve compatibility and performance. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadows, and resolution can help alleviate loading issues, especially on lower-end systems. Step 5. Restart and reinstall. If the problem persists, try restarting your console or PC. If that doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game to ensure a fresh installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and resolve the loading screen issue in Elden Ring. Happy gaming!